Oh, well, recording anyway.
Yeah, but while I'm safe on the bench, my teammates taking all the hits.
Okay, I'm gonna plug it in now. Plugging it in, turning power on. Nothing coming on the screen. It's not smoking now. It was smoking when I first plugged it in. Nothing going on in there.
It's
not hot. It's just not doing anything now. I guess the initial, when it first plugged in and smoked, it fried the computer. It was on the right power setting, so I don't know what happened. So here's your video.
Well, I'm starting to get that burnt resistor smell the more we leave it plugged in and on.